I suggest let's start with an experiment. I would ask you to close your eyes, please, and point with one hand in that direction where you believe north is. Okay, you can open your eyes. Good, thanks a lot. This is what we experience in many companies. Marketing is showing in this direction, production is showing in that direction, and controlling in that direction. And especially in lateral leadership, it is extremely important to be clear about my own project in order to be able to win the commitment of others, so basically to invite them to follow in the direction where I want to go. The best tool which I know in order to set that direction is the so-called AIMS grid. The AIMS grid is a thinking tool which ensures that we consider all relevant aspects of an AIMS formulation and that we are also aware of the interdependencies between those four aspects here. In a nutshell, we are answering four questions. We set the end result. I think this is quite normal in any kind of AIMS formulation to do that. So basically we answer the question, what should be finished by, for example, end of May? Then we go to a more strategic part of the AIMS grid, which is to define the purposes or the benefits. So why are we doing this? What for are we producing this end result, for example? And another strategic component of the AIMS grid is to formulate for whom we are doing this, basically who are the clients and who are the stakeholders, who else is affected by our project, for example. And at the end, we also formulate the success criteria, which is about answering the question, how will we measure the end result? Since about 15 years, there is basically no project which I start without drawing these two lines on a piece of paper, because it helps me to be really aware of what is important, who is important, and that saves me usually a lot of time when it's about executing the project.